Welcome to Joyce Insurance Agency. In this video, we will cover how to log into the client portal, upload and download documents, view your policies and request a change, and view and request certificates. Let's get started. To log in, go to joyceins.com and navigate to the client portal button in the top right. Enter your email in the box and hit login. You will be asked to enter a code to verify your identity. If you have a phone number attached to your account, you have the option to receive the code as a text. Otherwise, the code will be sent to your email. This is the Client Center. First, we will show the Document section. Here you can view any documents we have sent you, or you can upload a document that you would like us to see. To upload a document, hit the Upload button on the right side of your screen. Find the file you would like to upload from your computer and drag it to the Upload area. Include a short message to let your agent know what the file is. This is the Certificate section. Here you can fill in your information to generate a certificate of insurance, view certificates that you have already generated, and request a new certificate. This is the Policy section. It shows all of your active policies. Click View Policy to view more information about a policy. If you would like to request to change a policy, click the Request to Change button in the top right. To request any other changes, use the Request to Change button to write a request to your agent. If you have any other questions for us, hit the Contact Us button in the top right. This concludes the video tutorial. Thank you, and if you have any other questions, be sure to contact us. We are happy to help.